In number 14, we've got another function here. It's a sine function, and we need to find a, b, and c. And we've got this domain of 0 to 360, and they tell us that a and b are both positive. So let's make sure we're clear. We know that a is going to be the midline, and we know that b is going to be the amplitude, and we know that c is going to be the frequency. And what I would suggest is we use this information they give us about the maximum and the minimum and do a little sketch. We're going to go up 9, and then the minimum is going to be 1. Well, there's 8 in between them. So if I go up 4 and then go across, that's the midline. So that gives me 4 amplitude. I check to make sure it's the same above and below the midline. So our midline is going to be at the number 5, and our amplitude is going to be the number 4. And if I know the period, all I've got to do is take 2 pi divided by the period, or 360 divided by the period, and it'll give me the frequency. So in this case, 360 divided by 120 is equal to 3, so that gives me the frequency. And I just got to fill in the equation. It's going to be 5 plus 4 sine 3x, or if I need to tell them what a, b, and c are, then I can just separate those. And I don't recall if it doesn't appear like they asked to graph it, but a lot of times they will. So I'm just going to quickly go through that because it's not going to take but a second. I got all the important information. I know that the sine of 0 degrees is going to be right there at the midline, and I know it's going to go up and then come down and then go back up again. I don't have to even graph this, and I have a good idea of what's going to happen. And so then I do a quick sketch, and I'm good. So anyway, like I said, if they want to know what a, b, and c are, it might be a good idea to go ahead and specify that a is equal to 5, and that b is equal to 4, and then c is equal to 3. But we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped.